Ooh, welcome, man. Ooh, I can smell it too, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Real quick. Real freaking quick. Okay, guys. Ooh, you can smell it. This one should be a little obvious. Overheating, guys. That is the complaint. Why is it overheating? Do not know and will not know until I inspect it. Now, guys, y'all know. Okay, start up. This is one of those. I'm a big advocate of test driving, but not this one, guys. Number one, I can smell coolant. Yeah, y'all can't smell that. Y'all smell that? All right, I'll smell it for y'all. Yes. So I'm going straight in the shop. Look at that, guys. Airbag light on. Yeah. See, they didn't say nothing about that. They are really concerned about their overheating. It says overheating and coolant leak. Now, naturally, if you low on coolant, you will naturally overheat. So your main focus should be on why are you low on coolant? If that's the case, okay. I don't know what the case is until I get it inside, but how do you go by finding leaks, guys? There's several different ways. I tend to use my pressure tester. They got some new pressure testers out there now, guys. The old pump style, from what I'm hearing, is played out. Okay, I get dogged out by pulling out my old pump style coolant pressure tester. The fellas want to know, what are you living back in the 50s? I was like, it still works. So that's the thing. I'm one of those guys that hang on to a tool that still work and you still pull it out because you need to use it. Yes. All right. So I don't know. Well, I'm in the shop, guys. Let's let this thing in the air. We might not even need to let it in the air. Let's look around first. All right. We need to find out why is this overheating. All right. So y'all want to know what? Hang around, man. Don't go anywhere. I'm going straight out there, and we're going to get straight to it. No sense in wasting time. All right, let's get it. Ooh, is this me? That didn't come from me, did it? No, that didn't come from me. What we got on here? V6? No, 4-cylinder, guys. 4-banger. Ooh, I can smell it. Smells that fragrance, that coolant leak fragrance. Ooh, the smell is getting hard. All right, I see coolant on top of how coolant get up here. So that means there's a obvious leak. Ooh, yes. You see down there? Ooh, hey, what the? Alrighty. That was fairly quick and easy. Didn't even need my pressure testing. I don't know, guys. Y'all can see where I'm going with this. Y'all can see my leak and the reason likely why it's overheating. Now let me see. Let me get us a shot. It's overheating because it's low on coolant. It's low on coolant because it's leaking right here at the heater hose bypass valve, I want to say. Yes, these leak. I done replaced a couple of these, guys. They just plastic. I guess they get hot and brittle and they snap. Only solution is to replace them. Now, are we going back on with the same part? Same plastic part? I don't know. All I can do is write it up and see what happened. So that's that explains all this cooling up here, guys. All right, so let me go write up an estimate on. Ooh, that's that aroma. Yeah, fixing this, and we closing in on wintertime. It is wintertime now, so I'm gonna sell a coolant system service, where we flush out all the old coolant and go back in with new coolant. I'm interested in see what kind of part I'm gonna get, so I'm gonna go up to the parts department and see. Let me write this thing up, but y'all know the drill. I gotta let it up in the air and inspect everything. All right, so guys, y'all stay tuned, man. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, welcome back. Look what showed up, guys. No need for a part 2. I can snap this on real quick alike and be done with the complete video, right? Now, but my thing is I want to make sure it's the right one. And not only that, I want to see if it's been redesigned. What y'all think? Okay, yes, it's the right part. Remember, guys, it came apart right here. I don't know. I would like to believe. Oh, it broke. Okay, yeah, it broke right there. So there's a little stress going on. Maybe because it's moving too much. So I'm gonna tie it down when I put the new one in. But here's the new one. It just connects. This end connects to a tube down there. All right. So guys, I'm not gonna bore you guys with replacing this. It's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, just I was hoping this part wasn't broke. Just take this out and take the bottom end out and push in this and push in this, and then you back to normal. But guys, I end up selling a coolant system flush, so I'm gonna flush the coolant. There's not much coolant in it, so I'm gonna run some cleaner through the system and flush out any remaining old coolant and go back in with fresh new coolant. This car takes the 10-year coolant. This is a 15 or higher. Takes the 10-year coolant over there. So I'm just about done with that, guys. Just wanted y'all to see the motion or the things we go through as far as bringing in a customer car, checking it out, making a repair. I can get you as much footage as I can. Keep in mind, let me reiterate this. These are not tutorial video. I'm just merely blogging what I go through on a daily basis. Guys, I'm going to steam clean this engine. I do not want this visible. I'm going to wash it down, hold it down. But this was my problem. Why it broke? I don't know. That's fatigue. Okay, like I said earlier, this one don't look like it's been redesigned. Y'all know the word we like to use, revised. It's not a revised hole. Give Derman a month or two. They'll come up with an aluminum one that, a lot sturdier. Yeah, it doesn't look redesigned. It just looks newer, and it should hold up. All right. So I'm gonna get to work, y'all. I'm gonna get busy and get this job wrapped up and finish up. All right. So thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.